Hey Future Richers! In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to earn from Facebook without spending a cent. So let's get started.
Do is create a new page. So in here you can see all profile and there create a page. You can use your own, but I highly suggest creating a new one. So in here you should choose the public page and give next. Here some advice and other things. Get it started. In here you have, if you like, you can even add your WhatsApp number to connect with you. If you mainly target like USA, Canada or UK audience, don't invite them, because if it's the friends in your list is in your own country. So let's move forward. In here turn on both of them. After it's done, so you are come up with like this interfere. You can see like this professional dashboard. Click on it. In here you can start with this tour, or you can explore on your own. So let me give this, and in here you can see anything like how many views you get, how many interaction, total followers, and here you can see monetization button. In here, after you eligible, in here they show you. So the best way to earn from Facebook is create AI or your own videos. You can also use reuse videos, but I'm not recommend it, because if they put some rules, it's gonna be very hard for you. So only use like AI edited or AI created or something your own, so it will help you and even your popularity. So that's it. After you're eligible, you can monetization and apply for it. And the best way, and it's free and fast. So if you guys want to know some other tricks how to get rich in 2026 or now, please subscribe, like and share, so your all friends can even reach with you. So see you in the next week. Bye.